Hello guys, good morning to you guys over here. Um, I want to introduce you all to this very course, Microsoft Word training. So this course is actually targeted to train anyone that is just you know coming into the IT industry, learning on how to create professional documents, letters, proposals, and whatever it is that you want to create as a form of document, right? You can use this Microsoft Office toolkit to get it done. So particularly there is a set of the tool called Microsoft Word that is contained in the Microsoft um, Office toolkit, right? So we want to learn on how to efficiently use this Microsoft Word itself. So, but before you start doing anything relating to Microsoft Word, you should already know how to navigate across systems, opening programs in a computer laptop and or computer system, and you're kind of a bit confident with file management, in a laptop or computer generally. So one thing you need to understand is that when you want to launch a program, it's actually a program. When you're dealing with the computer environment, it's called a program, right? So when you want to open a program, you will need to hit the start button. It's actually this very button that you see here, right? This button is called start button, or you can call it the Windows key. Okay, so whichever ways that you prefer, the um, the name you want to call it, start button, Windows button, whichever one that looks so cool to you to remember. So you hit this button, or you can still see this same button on your keyboard. You just hit the button, and this menu appears. All right. So what you need to do, or what you should be focused on, is typing the word, just WORD. So, like I mentioned, this is actually an application, but when you are on the Windows environment, it's called um, program. So we are interested in just launching it. So you have different options. You can move your cursor, and you could click on this very word. Like when you type the word, you have different options to click on this or to click on this, all right? So you can do this, you can do this, whichever one is perfect, okay? So when it launches, you get to see some of your recent apps. If you have used it before, you should see recent apps, like recent files that I created on this very computer. But if you don't find any, simply means this is your first time opening Microsoft Word. All right. So we're going to learn more about the Office Toolkit that contains other programs such as Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, Microsoft OneNote, OneDrive, and etc. Right. So for now, we are concentrated on Microsoft Word. All right. We want to start from the very beginning to the very end, almost the ending of mastering Microsoft Word particularly. All right, so what you're seeing here is the welcome screen for Microsoft Word. It is actually available on all of the Microsoft toolkits. Like when I say toolkit, it's a toolkit like a toolbox that contains various tools for creating different types of documents. Okay, so that is what Microsoft did. They created a Microsoft toolkit that contains various kinds of tools such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and etc. Okay. So this is the welcome screen like I mentioned. So you have two options. The first option here is to click on this button. This button is called the blank document. And the other ones you see at the other side, they are like this one, this one. All of these ones are just like templates, okay? All the rest ones there are templates. So you either want to start with a plain blank document that contains no information, or you would like to start with a template. So we're going to walk through on how to start with a blank document or how to use a template. Okay, so that is the two things we're going to be working with. So in the next video, we will be seeing how we can work with number one or number two. Okay, this is number two. So we're going to check first the template, and then we're going to check what the blank document, how it looks like. Okay, but before we do that, I think what I would suggest instead that would be the best approach towards this, uh, let's do it this way. So we would first of all go into this blank document, you understand, and see the overview of how it looks like, the commands and everything that is contained in it, so that if you are so confident, you can check out the template and see, you know, what templates actually are and all of that. So for now, this will be the end of this very video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So in the next video, we would click on the blank document, check the overview, the screen, and everything that is contained in it, and learn how it functions. All right. So if this is your first time coming across my videos and it is educative for you, you love it, do well to like, share, and comment your opinion in the videos. And you know, this would help me to, you know, to readjust and to do the best of videos that will be much more educative to you guys or for your learning. So see you in the next one. Bye.